Bitcoin already testing the 123,000, and to me, this rally can continue and possible to see the Bitcoin to test the 130 or $135,000. What's up everyone, Puryanik here and welcome back to Crypto Zone. Sorry guys, I didn't publish any video for the past 3 weeks because as you know, I'm Iranian and you know what happened in my country. We have some war. We are not supporting the war and nobody like to have a war in the country. That's why I was a little bit depressed and I don't want to sharing with you guys my feeling because my friend and family are still in living in Iran. Today Bitcoin already tested $123,000 and for me this rally still can continue and I'm not going to be surprising to see the Bitcoin to retesting the $130 or $135,000 soon or later, because as you can see right now on the daily time frame, finally breaking the resistance around 112,000, and I didn't publish any video on this channel for the past 3 weeks, but multiple time I'm already mentioned on this channel, soon or later we will see the breakout from this resistance, and if we see any low there is an opportunity for buy. And what we can see right now on the daily time frame, Bitcoin finally breaking this resistance and I'm already targeting the $120,000 and we already today breaking above the 120,000, and right now Bitcoin still can continue, and if we see the rejection from here or higher for a Bitcoin, and if we see the Bitcoin back again to this support around 120 or even lower around 119 or even 150,000, still we can consider as a higher low, and after that can continue to test $130, $135 again. If we see the rejection below 115, definitely we can come and retest the $111,000 again, and we're retesting the previous resistance, and even if we be back into this area is going to be good opportunity for buy, because I still believe that this rally can continue and trend is still bullish, and definitely we can see the higher price for a Bitcoin. If we be checking the MACD on the daily time frame, histogram is still green and we can see the bullish gain. At the same time we can see on DMI, D plus already gaining to 41%, and ADX is continue rising, means that market still can be bullish. Even if we be back into this area around 110, 112, we can print in the higher low, and after that we can see the market rise to 130 or $135,000. I want to show you something very special on the weekly time frame. If I add the Fibonacci extension from the low around 15,000 and the top around 108,000, and if I fix this Fibonacci, we can see we already breaking the 0.5 Fibonacci, and the 0.618 Fibonacci is standing exactly around $131,000. That's why I mentioned about the 130,000, and we can see the Fibonacci line also is standing exactly around $131,000. And if I want to comparing current move to this move on July 2021, we can see we already gaining the 74% from the low around 29,000 to the top around 51,000. And if I estimated from the low 74,000 to the 131,000, we can see exactly 76% gain can bring the Bitcoin to $131,000. That's why 130,000 can be next resistance. As soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 119, 120,000, definitely can come and retest the 130, 132 or even $135,000. If we see the Bitcoin break above the 130, 132, the next Fibonacci extension 0.786 standing around 147, and the next one standing around approximately 167,000. If I want to compare this move to the move on 2021, from 28,000 low to the top 66,000, almost is like 120%. And if I want to compare this price to the current price, just imagine 123% bring the Bitcoin to $167,000. So we can see multiple direction around 130 and the top around 167 or 170,000. Very clear. Honestly with you guys, I think in this rally still can continue. Maybe on the lower time frame we can see some correction. Maybe we can come and retest 110,000 again, but for me, even if we come and retest in the 110, there is a opportunity because we printing another higher low, and nobody knows, maybe we can see crazy number for Bitcoin on this year. What I can see right now, I can estimate in the 130,000 for a next move, and maybe a little bit longer time I can estimate in the price for 167,000. I have one more surprise for you guys from 2020 when the Bitcoin was $3,000. I totally remember this move, and from the bottom 3,000 to the top, almost we gaining 1,923%. Just imagine if we see some move like this to the current price and estimated from the 15,800, if we gaining 1,900%, bring the Bitcoin to almost $380,000. So what you can see right now, for sure, this price, as I'm telling you right now, is not going to be tomorrow. We're testing this price 135,000 or even 140,000, may take in time. But what we can see on the previous cycle, from the low 3,000 to the 60,000 top, we almost gaining 1,900%. And if we see something like that, definitely we can see the Bitcoin for a crazy number. 300, I think, is still very cheap. What I can see right now for a longer time, we can see the crazy number for a Bitcoin, 300,000, 500,000, even 1 million for a Bitcoin, or even 1 Satoshi for $1, which is that crazy, man. That's why never late for an invest. And we can see right now Bitcoin is crazy pump. At the same time, all the crypto market is pumping. Ethereum almost at $3,000 again. And if you very quickly checking the Ethereum, if we check in the weekly time frame for Ethereum, such a nice pump from the low around 1,400, and still we have a resistance around $4,000 or even higher price around 4,800. And if we break above the $4,800, definitely we can see some crazy number for Ethereum. Maybe we can see the Ethereum at 5K, 10K, nobody knows. But what we can see right now, all the crypto market on fire. So this is all about today, my friend. Hope this video is helping you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are looking for an altcoin, I'm publishing the daily short video about the altcoin. If you're looking for any altcoin, please let me know in the comment what altcoin you're looking for. I'm gonna be check for you. During I'm not making the video on YouTube, I'm active on the Telegram. And if you're looking for me or you're looking for some help from me, come and say hey to our Telegram group. All the best for you, and see you on the next video.